Hey, Natural Home Remedy family. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore simple and effective solutions to make your home a healthier, happier place. Today, we're diving into a pesky problem that many of us face, those annoying gnats buzzing around. But don't worry, we've got the perfect solution for you, the ultimate home remedy gnat trap. Stick around, because you won't believe how easy it is to keep these little pests at bay. Let's jump right in. Main points. The homemade gnat trap is really easy to make, using things you probably have at home already like a mason jar, plastic wrap, and apple cider vinegar. Gnats are attracted to the apple cider vinegar smell. When they try to get inside the jar to get to the vinegar, they get stuck on the plastic wrap covering the top of the mason jar. Overnight, lots of gnats will get stuck on the plastic, and you can throw them all away in the morning by wrapping up the plastic in the jar. You can reuse the homemade trap over and over again until you've caught all the annoying gnats. This gnat trap really works to eliminate fungus gnats, fruit flies, drain flies, vinegar flies, and more without using any chemicals in your home. Make your own natural gnat repellent spray. Mix 5 to 10 drops of essential oils like lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus or citronella into a spray bottle filled with water. The strong herbal smells repel gnats without using harsh chemicals. Spray this in your kitchen, around doorways, and anywhere you see gnats. Repel gnats with herbs like basil, bay leaves, mint or lemongrass. Keep pots of these fresh herbs in your kitchen or plant them around outdoor doorways. The strong aromas help mask the vinegar smell that attracts flies and gnats. Clean drains thoroughly to get rid of breeding grounds. Use baking soda and vinegar to clear clogged drains, then flush with boiling water. Keep drains covered when not in use so flies can't lay eggs inside. Wipe out the garbage disposal with baking soda and lemon. Run ice cubes through the disposal to sharpen the blades for better gnat trapping. Always use drain catchers in your sinks. Make DIY fruit fly traps from jars. Poke holes in the lid of a mason jar, add a tablespoon of vinegar or rotting produce, then screw on the lid. The flies can get in, but not back out. Making this simple, all-natural homemade gnat trap is easy and affordable, and it's way more effective than store-bought bug traps. Give it a try and finally get rid of those annoying flying pests. Let me know in the comments if you have any other homemade remedies for gnats or fruit flies. Thanks for watching.